I try to hold on, but it hurts too much. Try to forgive, but it's not enough to make it all okay. You can't play all the good strings. You can't feel anything that your heart don't want to feel. I can tell you something that ain't real. Oh, and the truth hurts and lies worse. How can I give any more when I love you a little less? Come see me on my tour.
Nice vlog.
No.
We were in Phuket. Fuck it. Phuket.
Fuck it.
And it was the longest journey ever. We're going from Railay and one bus, 4 mini buses later, we're at a hostel, but it's actually quite nice.
Oh my god, it's so sick with the socks on.
Time to explore. Is over. We paid 60 pence for some food today and then like 30p for some ice cream. Good night. So we've just gone out and done some shopping. Well, say that, we've just been sat watching Netflix, but we went out earlier. I bought like 8 things for my Depop. And
Link in the
Grace,
description.
Link in the description. Did you buy anything?
Sweatshirt.
And Grace got a sweatshirt. But now we're going back to the same market to get some food and some more clothes and souvenirs. And Grace just had a little cry over Jack Whitehall. She's not cried for 5 weeks. She cries over Jack Whitehall.
Needed to let it out.
The night is over. Good night. Hey. It's our last day today. Well, in Thailand. We've got Kuala Lumpur for the day tomorrow, but then we fly. We're just going to go do some Depop photos because there's some cool buildings and some cool graffiti and some clothes that I've bought. For those who don't know, I've got a Depop shop and you should definitely go and buy something off there because I need the money.
Oh,
Just been for food, went for some markets and stuff, and now we're gonna head back out and get basically Grace needs to spend all her money because she's got too much, so she's gonna go buy a tap.